Begin by taking a moment to reset yourself. Find a comfortable seated position with your back straight and your shoulders relaxed. Close your eyes and take a deep breath in, allowing the air to fill your lungs and expand your chest and stomach. Hold the breath for a moment and then slowly release it through your mouth, letting go of any tension or stress leaving your body with each exhale. Continue to breathe, feeling your body becoming more and more relaxed and your mind becoming more focused and clear. Allow yourself to fully embrace this present moment and let go of any distractions or worries from the day. Visualize a bright, warm light surrounding you, filling you with positive energy and self-love. Imagine this light cleansing and healing any negative thoughts or beliefs that may be holding you back, and replacing them with a sense of confidence and self-worth. You are a unique and valuable individual with many gifts and talents to offer the world. Repeat the following affirmations silently to yourself. I am worthy of love and respect. I am capable of achieving my goals and dreams. I am deserving of success and happiness. I am a beautiful and valuable person, inside and out. I love and accept myself for who I am. I am worthy of love and happiness. I am capable of achieving my goals and dreams. I am a valuable and important person with unique gifts and talents to share with the world. Feel the truth and power in these affirmations and let them fill you with a sense of joy and positivity. Know that you have the strength and resilience to overcome any challenges that may come your way. When you're ready, take one more deep breath in, and as you exhale, slowly open your eyes, feeling refreshed and relaxed. Take this feeling of confidence with you as you go about your day, returning to your breath whenever you need to reconnect with these affirmations.